Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Smith. I'm from Brooklyn, Iowa, and I'm going to be a junior at Hastings College this fall. But for the summer, I'm a work study at Santa Fe Photographic Workshops. So as a work study, I have some different responsibilities. One of them is working in the store from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., which is what I'm finishing up right now. I'm about to head to class where we're going to have critique, and we show images that each participant made during the previous day, and we're going to have some discussion, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Hey everyone, so we were going to go to the plaza and shoot, but it is now pouring rain, as you'll be able to tell. Here in a sec. It's been going for at least like 15 minutes and it's going to keep going. So we're taking advantage of that and getting shots sort of like this and like this. So may not be dry for a while, but I'm having a lot of fun, and this is what we do at Santa Fe Workshops. I am finally ready to edit photos. So this is going to be my view for about 2 hours. This is my apartment while on campus for 7 weeks. Tomorrow morning we will have one final critique, and then in the afternoon I will go to help set up for the evening, which is when instructors and course coordinators create a slideshow of some of the work made during the whole week, and everyone from all 5 workshops gets together for one big dinner to see and celebrate the work and get to say goodbye to one another. Art major, history minor, and I love Hastings College because the professors are always pushing me to become a better human being. They give me so much support, and they're actually the reason that I'm here. So I am unbelievably thankful that I got to spend 2 years here already. One last thing, this is it for my takeover. So if you have any questions, just message me on Instagram. I know I didn't get to a whole lot of stuff because there's a lot that happens at the workshops each week. So message me. Thanks for hanging out with me, and see you all later.